Can you ace this dieting quiz? Find out now.
Let's test your dieting knowledge.
Here are 5 questions about dieting. Choose your answer for each one, and then scroll down to see how you did.
What is the best way to start a new diet? A. Eliminate all carbs immediately. B. Set small, achievable goals. C. Follow a diet your friend recommends. D. Skip meals to reduce calorie intake. Which macronutrient is most essential for muscle repair and growth? A. Protein. B. Carbohydrates. C. Fats. D. Fiber. How much weight loss is considered healthy per week? A. 1 to 2 pounds. B. 3 to 5 pounds. C. 5 to 10 pounds. D. More than 10 pounds. Which of the following is not a benefit of drinking plenty of water during a diet? A. Reducing hunger. B. Boosting metabolism. C. Replacing exercise. D. Helping digestion. What is the most effective way to keep weight off after dieting? Is it A. Follow the same healthy eating habits long term? B. Go back to eating as before, but exercise more? C. Avoid carbs and sugar permanently. D. Keep trying new fad diets regularly. How did you do? Check the answers below.
Answers 1. What is the best way to start a new diet? Answer B. Set small, achievable goals. Starting with manageable goals ensures you can stick to your plan and build confidence over time.
2. Which macronutrient is most essential for muscle repair and growth? Answer A. Protein. Protein provides the building blocks for muscle repair and growth, making it crucial in any balanced diet.
3. How much weight loss is considered healthy per week? Answer A. 1 to 2 pounds. A steady weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week is sustainable and healthier for your body than rapid weight loss.
4. Which of the following is not a benefit of drinking plenty of water during a diet? Answer C. Replacing exercise. While water has many benefits, it cannot replace the role of regular physical activity in a healthy lifestyle.
5. What is the most effective way to keep weight off after dieting? Answer A. Follow the same healthy eating habits long term. Maintaining healthy habits ensures long-term success and prevents weight regain.
How many did you get right? Share your score and any questions below. Subscribe and follow.